Girl only knew that you was trying to get with me. What would she do?
Warning, when I take my curls out of this bun, when I first wake up, it looks crazy, like really crazy. When I try to wrap my hair in a scarf where I put it in a bonnet and stuff, it does not work for me because I sleep really crazy. So it comes out either way, so my curls just look really crazy. Look, guys. See, this is just a crazy, beautiful mess, I guess. My husband loves me. Somebody loves me. But these are my curls when I wake up. So since my curls are really dry, I will deep condition them first. And I'm going to wet my hair all over because I have to detangle it first. And to get through this hair, I have to wet it first to detangle it. So I'm just gonna spray it everywhere and then try to get through this crazy hair. So you guys, I used to straighten my hair all the time. Like I straighten my hair all the time. I just started last year. I'm about to hit my 1 year mark. Actually, it's about to come up. I think in February. Yeah, next month. Yeah, I believe next month I hit my 1 year mark of not straightening my hair. And I'm actually happy. I do miss straightening my hair sometimes because I just want to see how long my hair has gotten. Let's see. Oh, it's getting pretty long, guys. It's getting pretty long. When I was little, I used to hate my curls. I guess when I was young, I didn't know how to do my hair, and I will have to show you guys pictures because my mom didn't know what to do with my hair. Like she would try. Mom, you really did try to do my hair, but she really didn't know what to do with my hair when I was younger, and it used to always just look really rough. And I will have to show you guys like pictures how my hair used to look, and I didn't know what to do with it. So I used to just love like straightening my hair when I was a kid, and I got so used to straightening my hair and love how my hair looked straightened that I just loved my hair straight. But now that I stopped straightening my hair, I just love how my hair looks with my curls. I love my curls. Okay, let me go ahead and do this other side right quick. Sometimes I think about all this work when my hair gets like all the way down to my butt. I don't know if I'm gonna keep my hair that long. That would be crazy. That's a lot of work. Now that my hair is wet, I'm going to use this She Moisture Fruit Fusion Coconut Water Weightless Cream Rinse. Can you guys see it? Will you come out? Oh, and by the way guys, I don't tend to do this same routine every day. I use different products, and I definitely don't deep condition my hair every day. Just today I wanted to deep condition my hair because my hair was really dry and it was well needed. And while I'm letting this conditioner sit in my head, I'm probably just gonna go clean up right quick because Ashay probably just destroyed the living room while I'm in here filming. I'm gonna clean up. No, I'll make these so ugly. Don't judge me right now. I'm trying to hurry up because my camera is actually, it just turned off. I mean, it's dying. Even though I thought it was charged. So, letting this sit in my head. I'm gonna clean up and my camera charged back up for a second, and then I will rinse it out and then finish styling my hair. have to look crazy on YouTube, but I always use either one of these shower caps or a plastic bag, like a Walmart bag or something. Don't judge me. Check this, how crazy I'm about to walk around the house. So you just let this sit on here for a little bit. I let it sit on here. I'm about to clean up and straighten up and let my creme charge for a little bit and then rinse it out, and then I'll be back to style my hair. So see you guys in a second. Yeah, so my camera totally just cut off on me. So basically I rinsed my hair out and I used this Diva Curl conditioner as I was rinsing my hair out. And then I just parted my hair and I used this Miss Jessie Stretch Silkening Cream in my hair. And after that I used this Palmer's coconut oil hair milk smoothie. And now I'm just gonna put some Diva Curl Coconut Curl Styler Define and Control cream in there. So now guys, I'm gonna do the front of my hair. I'm gonna spray a little bit more water in here too. And again, I'm using the coconut weightless cream. What's wrong? What's wrong, child? You're welcome, baby. Sorry, guys. My baby had an eyelash in his eye. You sitting right here and watching me? Oh, thank you. You my #1 fan?
Yeah.
You and Daddy?
Yeah.
But I'm putting some of that weightless cream in here. I'm not taking that much of the Miss Jessie cream because I don't have that much hair out right here. So now that all the products are applied, I will be blow drying my hair, and I blow dry my hair on the lowest settings. So this is how my hair looks after I diffuse it for about 10 to maybe 15 minutes, and I let it air dry after that. And I can wear it anyway. I like it big. Once my hair is all done, I like to spray in my She Moisture On The Go conditioning hair fragrance. It smells so good. It smells delicious. But yep, that's all guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. And make sure, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.